work is done, ladies and gentlemen, by true professionals. For the folks at the far right-hand side of our show lane, formation hammerheads once again. Todd says this is better than an e-ticket ride any day of the week. Absolutely gorgeous. John Moore loops around Otto, the helicopter. Todd Green hanging on. Again, I can't stress enough.